In this video, I am going to show you how to change website name in Wix. So let's see how we can do it. So this is our Wix website and today we are going to change the name for it. So to change the name of your Wix website, just log into your Wix account and it will take you to the My Sites page, and here you will see all the websites that you have created with Wix. Now to change the name of any website, just hover over the website and then click on Select and Edit Site. Now on the top you will see a 3 dots button. Just click on it and then click on Rename Site. Now here is our website name and here is our website URL. So now at first we are going to change our website name, and you can also change the URL of your website from here. So I will change this one too. After that we are going to click on Save. And as you can see that our Wix website name is now changed. So this is how you can change your website name on Wix. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.